Yeah, end behavior is probably the trickiest of all of them to understand. Um, but essentially, let's think about what it says. End behavior. Okay. What we want to know is what's going on at the end of the graph. Okay, that's what it means. End behavior. What's going on at the end of the graph? Okay. So before we jump into all of these, y'all tell me up or down. That's all I want you to tell me. Okay. At the end of this graph, what's going on? What's it doing? Now take a look at this one. At the end of right here, where I'm pointing, this end, is this going up or down? Up. What about this end? Down. What about this end? What about this end? Up. Okay. Let's keep going. What about this end? What about this end? How about this end? Okay, you at least have that. Okay, that's a good starting point. Now, what you have to understand is the end behavior is what's going on. What's going on at the end of the left side? What's going on at the end of the right side? And that's kind of the challenge to kind of get through here. So as x goes left, that's negative infinity. So I want y'all to write this. For this right here, I want you to put left. I want you to put left. Negative infinity, as x goes to negative infinity, means left. That means as x goes left. That's what that means, okay? What do you think this means? As x goes right. Yeah, there we go. As x goes right. So that's all we're saying is as my graph goes right, what is my y doing? That's what that means. And that's what we're about to figure out here, okay? So as x goes left, as x goes right. So let's check out this. So here we go. First one. I'm going to zoom in here. This is, what does this say? As x goes, this one right here, left. So if we need to, put left. I'm going to put right. All right, so as x goes left. So that's telling us on the left side of the graph, this is the left side. Would y'all agree? What is the graph doing? Is it going up or is it going down? It's going up. Done. You can either put up, or up would be positive infinity. Okay? How about for right here, as x goes right? As x goes right. So as my graph moves right, where's my graph going? It's going down. How would we write that? Negative infinity. You put down. The way you're going to see it on the quiz and test, though, negative infinity. And with linears, usually it's always, because they have a slope, one's always going to go up, one's always going to go down. If you ever look at the graph, one part's going up, one part's going down. One part's going up, one part's going down. But if it's like this, is it the end behavior? It depends on where it's at on the y. Let's say I'm at y equals 2. Okay? Well, how high does it go? 2. How far down does it go? 2. Yeah, there you go. You got it. You're all over it. So that was good. That was good. I don't know if we'll see too many like that, but those are like special cases. Let's take a look at this next one, number 2. All right, again, as x goes left. So as on my graph, as I move left on my graph, where am I going? Down. What do I put there? Negative infinity. Fantastic. All right, let's look at as x goes right. So if I'm on my graph and I move right, where am I going? Going up. So what do I put there? Positive infinity. And that's really all it takes. Now I know it's a little confusing. But again, the idea is when I go left on my graph, am I going up or am I going down at the end? You know what I mean? As I'm going, well, say that as I'm going left, Nigel. This is my graph, right? As I go left, would you agree I'm going left? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going down. Yeah. As I go left, I'm going down. But what about if I go right? Where am I going? I'm going up, and that's all that means right there. So it's a positive infinity for the right. Yeah. Make sense? If you want to, try 3 and 4 on your own. But if you still need a little help with it, then follow along with me here, okay? So here's my graph. We can agree on that, right? If I go left, I'm going left on my graph. Which direction am I going? Down, down, I'm going down. Yeah, and then as I move right, where am I going? Up. And that's all it takes. That's all it takes. That's pretty easy. That's what I like to hear. All right, here. As I move left, where am I going? I'm going up. There you go. As I move right, where am I going? Going down. Yeah. Is that pretty simple? Exactly. Up is positive infinity, down is negative infinity. What about when you're dealing with left and right? What is negative infinity? Is that left or is that right? That's left. Positive infinity would be right. Hey, you're right. See what I did there? That wasn't good? It's cringy. Oh, wow. Someone's feeling cringy today. All right, well, that's it. In behavior, that was a very basic way of going through it with linear functions.